Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the HomerSimpson token. Now this token, the name of the token is HomerSimpson and ticker symbol is HomerSimpson. Now don't get this confused with the other HomerSimpson token. The one that seems to be doing the best is ticker symbol Simpson, and name of the token is Homer. And I did do a video on that token a while ago. It is still pumping today. The ticker symbol Simpson token is up 164% today. And I'm going to link that video at the end of this video so you guys can go check out the other Homer token. But this one is also in the top gainer section today on CoinMarketCap. The ticker symbol HomerSimpson token is up 87.84%. So you don't get them confused. The one I am talking about, the Twitter, is right here, always in the top corner of the video. So you guys can go check this token out specifically. This webpage is HomerSimpson.io. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the HomerSimpson token, not the Simpson token, the HomerSimpson token is up 91% right now on CoinMarketCap. Webpage is HomerSimpson.io. They have their BSC scan here on CoinMarketCap. Their Twitter is at HomerSimpson BNB, and their Telegram is also HomerSimpson BNB. So market cap for this token is way lower than the other one. I'm just going to guess. I could verify that, but I guarantee you it's way lower. But this one, for this token, it is $359,000 market cap. Fully diluted market cap, $385,000. 24-hour trading volume right now, $179,000. And it says there is a total supply here that is 200 trillion tokens. I'm surprised it is not the meme number of tokens. Now, this HomerSimpson token only has 1,262 holders, 19,656 transfers, and 18 decimal places on this token. So in what I think, I mean, I don't know this for sure, but the only reason why this token is doing well today and is up 90% is because the other Homer token is doing extremely well. And before the Homer token, there was a BART token that was doing really well too as well. I don't think it was doing as well as the Homer token, but you know, there's a lot of Simpsons tokens out there. I remember like a year ago doing a video on a token called like Simpsons Inu or something like that. It was just The Simpsons, right? So now these Homer tokens are doing well. So if you go over to the webpage for this token, HomerSimpson.io, they have the tokenomics, roadmap, community section. They even have a DApp. So it says Homer Family DApp, and then it says World's Best Dad. Speaking of dads, and shout out to all the mothers today, because today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all you crypto moms. All right, so they have a link to buy on PancakeSwap on their page. Now, if you did want to buy this token, all you would have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the HomerSimpson token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or on their official webpage or on their BSC scan. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, obviously, because there's so many HomerSimpson tokens. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we will go over that in 1 second. They also have a link to PooCoin on their webpage, so maybe you can buy this token also off of PooCoin here. And it says here, let me see if there's taxes. A lot of these meme tokens don't have taxes. This one says, no, it has token allocation on there. Doesn't say anything about taxes. So if you know about taxes and you had to set slippage if you bought or sold this token, it's always nice to leave that in the comment section down below to help other people if they are buying this token. Now, they do have token allocation on here. It says 75% of the tokens get burnt. 17.5% of the tokens go to liquidity. 2.5% of the tokens go to staking, so you'll be able to stake this token to get more HomerSimpson tokens. And 2.5% goes to the dev, and 2.5% goes to marketing. Now, smart contract is on the page. There is a big button here that says do not click, and that just takes you over to PancakeSwap. So they're just trying to get you to go over to buy the token on their page here. Now, there is a button that says home and then ... and if you click on it, nothing really happens. I don't know what's up with that. Let's see if their dApp works. If I click on the dApp, it takes you over to app.homersimpson.io, and this looks like an NFT marketplace. So they have their own NFT marketplace. It's, of course, on the Binance Smart Chain. You can connect your wallet, and they have the NFTs, all sorts of different NFTs. They cost 0.3 BNB to mint. And it says mint dough, D-O-H, dough. There's the staking dApps on here. You can swap right on this page here. There's contact information. And then you can check out your own NFTs on here. Go to the marketplace. It says coming soon. So that's not available yet. But yeah, that's where you can mint some NFTs. As you click on the dApp, you can go over and get some cool HomerSimpson NFTs. Now there is some kind of, there's a dev wallet checker that you could check out on their PooCoin app here. And let's see, and then you can check out what the dev wallet did. And yeah, you can review that on your own if you like. And then they also have at the bottom of their page here a roadmap. Let's go over that quickly. So it says, forgot the white paper. So it looks like there is no white paper yet. That's not checked off. First it says, buy the donut, eat the donut, kiss Marge, and launch nuclear missiles. So that, obviously, this is a fake roadmap here. And then we got buy more donuts, eat more donuts, out of money, stealth launch. Okay? And then third phase is be panic, hire devs on Fiverr, be calm, donut dApps. So they're just trying to be funny over here. This token is definitely memed out to the nines. And there is a big picture. It says, Doe, I wish I bought HomerSimpson token sooner. And that is about it. I mean, you can mint some NFTs. There's hardly any utility to this token whatsoever besides the NFTs and maybe staking in the future. And the roadmap and white paper are basically non-existent. But right now, this token's up 55% right now today in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap, so go check it out on there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.